Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to dropship in WooCommerce. Let's get started. In order to do that, we need to install plugin. So scroll down right here until you can see the option called plugins right here and click on this add new plugin. Once you have clicked that, you should be able to see the WordPress plugin marketplace itself. So this will load into this and you can see here the search bar. So just search in here for dropship. So once you have searched for dropship, you should be able to see some search results related to your search. You can use Importify, shipping packages, and all of these things right here. But I recommend you to use this Importify right here, which is a WooCommerce plugin for AliExpress, Amazon, Etsy, Alibaba, Walmart, and more dropshipping. So click on this install now. And then once you have done that, this will install itself. And once it's done installing, just head over and then activate it. So let's try to activate it. And then as you can see, this will activate. So you can see right here that it's been added. So let's head over and click on this right here. So you can actually find it on your left sidebar on your dashboard. So once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see the Importify settings. So head over and click on this right here. And as you can see, it's been installed. So let's just head over and click on this right here to log into your dashboard. Now in here, you will be asked to subscribe. It can be billed monthly or annually, and you can see in here the price. So just select a price that is actually the good for you. And then from in there, you should be able to see some things once you have actually selected a subscription for this case. So once you have selected a subscription, you can import products from AliExpress, Alibaba, Walmart, and a lot more. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, or subscribe again so as to reach more people. See you soon.